Okay. Hey y'all. Why does it look like that? Okay. Hey y'all. Alexa, pause. Hey y'all. What's up? I look a mess, but I'm about to go get dressed, so don't worry. I'm about to hop in the wave, but welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tristan's and Devonys' birthday celebration dinner. So we're doing all the nice cute stuff. We're really late, but I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all what we're doing before everybody got here, and things get kind of rowdy. But I'm about to go get dressed, get cute, and then come back out to the living room. Oh yeah, we're at home, by the way, but it doesn't look like we're at home, you know. But they did, like, well, we did all of the nice little decorations, got everything literally within like a week planned. I mean, we knew we were gonna do it, but it wasn't like this thought out, but it was like, came out really nice. But you guys will see. But everyone will be here shortly, so they're cooking, they have like a menu and everything. Mariah's gonna bartend, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy the night and celebrate both of their bdays and my eyebrows. Oh my god. But I'm about to go get dressed and come back and look cute in front of this backdrop. I think I'm gonna sit over there. So, but yeah, y'all, it's about to be fun. Very late. My armpits are hot. What are you doing? Bree wet armpits are.
I put it not with braids before. I'm curious. I
love braids. Hey, cutie. How you blushing?
It's gonna be a medical challenge. Happy birthday, Tristan and Devonys. We love you.
Shout out to y'all.
Let's shout it out so we drunk. Wait a minute. I did a picture.
Shout out. Shout out. Hey, Trevor. Trevor. Hey, yo. Hey, it's your motherfucking birthday. My feet husky like that. Don't look though. I did. They dry. My feet, girl. I keep forgetting. Oh, nice. Hey, son. Hey, Bubba. I love you. Nobody, Marjorie, over there playing. I got you on candy. I'm just kidding. I'm about to eat. Alexa! Alexa! Pause. Yeah, Brent, tell Alexa pause, please.
Alexa, could you pause, please, sweetheart?
Hey, no. Oh, we're eating din. We're at the party. Giving party. Y'all, we got mac and cheese, chicken rolled, non-shrimp pasta salad. I did. Green beans and mashed potatoes.
Because it's gonna go with the caption. I can't even.
Put the music on. Put some background music in there.
We need some music.
That's some fancy music. Restaurant music. No,
Alexa,
beans.
can you play relaxation music?
No.
That was what you asked for.
I guess I do.
No,
I don't want to relax tonight.
Good. Bring me my hour on a break.
What, man? I mean, Brianna.
He hit me on a break.
She hit me when her brace came in the door and say nothing down. But I think I should bring it up.
Cause I did.
Break.
She knows it. See that? She was right.
She can do that.
That's good relaxation music, girl.
I ain't gonna lie, man. I agree.
See? It's your mom.
We're just at the opera.
Alexa,
Thank you.
play something else.
Yeah, like 2 Alexas?
Yeah.
Just some spite.
Cause I had mine first and you bought it. No, I said play something else. Alexa.
God don't listen, girl. She
Tell her to do something. She don't even know. She come to the step.
Wait, did y'all host taste the drink?
No.
It's good,
Look at
man.
Taste.
I probably should be tasting it.
Make
though.
sure it's up the bar.
Are we finna drink it while we eat?
This shrimp good though. We're gonna taste it now. It's really nice. I got the music in the background. Nice.
Where's it?
Alright, y'all.
So we get bigger portions. The black people.
That's good, Mark. Good job.
Look at her, she all by herself. Right, yeah.
I'll throw us something a little later.
I'll get my check. Alexa, play Money Bag Yothers. We need something. Yeah, like this. It was alright at first.
Alexa.
Play Selena.
Alexa, play Bop by the
Not
Baby.
Selena.
In this cup and Debbie and Tristan.
So we ate dinner. We're just trying to figure out what we're doing next. I think we're gonna play a game. Get drunk. Okay. I'm gonna put mine on, I think. I think I'm gonna put sweatpants on too because at the end of the day, this skirt gotta come off.
Who's taking it off?
Hey yo! Hey yo! Yo! I can't.
Yeah, it's so black. Well, this came from Target, but yeah.
Damn, you can't pluck you out.
But it was literally like it would have been like black women. It would have been better.
Give this card to whoever's most likely to get plastic surgery and lie about it.
You get some titties. You know, straight up.
That's your card, man. Keep it.
I am not, but alright.
You have to be careful.
I'm super purple dirt, slurper dirt. Let's keep it if you ever been hacked on social media. I have not.
Me either. So put it back.
I love to see you from my point of view.
First one to mess up Lisa card. Hairstyles. Ponytail.
Bang waves.
Knotless braids.
She messed up. She's not lying.
Alright, y'all got my damn nerves.
Two, give this card to whoever most likely to black out at brunch.
Oh.
Okay.
Back out.
So I understand why you would think it would be me, but it would be Tristan. No. It's collective.
What do y'all think?
Y'all two any other time than Nick on her fucking birthday. But if he was ready, we can talk to Nick on the side.
Oh wait, yeah, because I am still pissed off at you. I wanted those warm pretzels and no wings. So
The boo to each other.
Hey, boo.
have a whole cup left.
Hey y'all.
Hey.
Sorry.
How Young. Hey, y'all. It's so bright in there.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
You gonna blow them out.
I said, yeah, I do.
This in the picture.
Please believe me. Please believe me. Y'all know who said that? His name was Daniel. What was his last name?
Please believe me. Don't you got cake?
Hurry up, my camera dying.
Check it hard. Oh shit.
Come on, Anime. Eat the cake.
Y'all ready?
Shake that
Yes.
shit. Throw that. Woo! Happy 30, 30, 29.